Trevor. I'm from Southern California, and it's my 85 pickup. Nothing too crazy, just got bike and on a little road trip through Colorado and into Utah, Idaho, Montana right now.
Sweet. So it's a 85, is that?
85, yeah.
Okay. And that was the first year for the fuel injection, but the last year for the solid front axle, right?
Yeah, so it's still got the solid front axle. It's got EFI 22RE. Bike in the back, got the swing out. A buddy made this, so it's a trail gear rear bumper, and then the swing out is built off of that.
Oh, that's nice.
It's cut here, and the carriage is there, and swings around, latches here.
That's real nice.
Works pretty well, keeps the tire out of the way. Batteries are going to go where the spare sits stock pretty soon.
Mm-hmm. And did you say you're doing 2 batteries underneath there?
2 batteries, yeah, will be under there.
And what are you wanting to push with that? Do you have a plan for?
So I mean, I do a lot of like photography stuff and that stuff, so keeping cameras charged.
Gotcha.
Everything going.
Cool.
Computers going. And I used to have it all built out with the platform bed and everything in the back. Took all that out just to try and keep it as light as possible. Doesn't really have any power to begin with, so
the 22RE, it'll get you there, but it'll take you a day.
Doesn't make very much power.
Yeah.
So I got all the wood out of there, keeping it as light as possible. Just doing the tent setup every night. Main goal of this trip was just to ride bikes, so
yeah,
trying to see as much as possible.
What's your roof roof
so
right
this
there?
is a Smitty built Defender rack. It just latches right onto the rain gutters.
That's nice.
A couple front runner boxes for second one over's got a ton of spare parts because things will break for sure. And then this one's just got clothes. Not too many clothes this trip. Yeah. So inside is it's nice for what they are. It's got the SR5 seats, which aren't very common.
Oh, that's
no
cool.
rips or anything. Those are the cleanest part. And then the SR5 like gauge cluster and everything, so it's got everything pretty stock.
It's amazing how clean this is.
Yeah, everything's good. Door panels are all good. Put in a stereo pretty early when I got it. Just to make it a little more manageable driving.
Mm-hmm. It's nice to have that access cab. Like
extra cab, yeah. Gives you a ton of room to store some stuff. Got the lantern back there and
sweet
some random stuff.
And this was you were telling me this was your grandparents,
it was
right?
My grandparents. They bought it new in '85. When I got it from them, it still had everything completely stock wheels, stock bumper. It had the original snug top that they bought it with in '85, and I still have everything to put it back stock.
That's awesome, man.
So onboard ARB compressor on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's under the hood.
That's nice.
Kind of tucked.
We get to see the unicorn engine here.
Just rebuilt 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
so it's got the compressor.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's great.
Kind of tucked out of the way. It's the smaller ARB compressor, and it'll fill up, I think they say up to 35s.
Oh, okay.
And it's got 32s on it right now.
How long does that take to fill up?
I mean, it'll do all 4 tires in 5-10 minutes. I don't need it super quick.
Yeah,
but
that's plenty good.
I mean, maybe 6 months ago, I've been planning this trip for a while, and maybe 6 months ago, head gasket went bad, so I pulled the head off. There's a crack in the head, got a new head, and that ended up turning into junk. So on the way here, stopped in Arizona and pulled the head off in the middle of 100-degree hell.
Oh no!
In the desert, and so there's definitely some dirt inside of there right now.
You know, it's amazing how clean this is, though. I mean, everything is. It's so well maintained.
Yeah, it keeps going.
You've done a great job with this. And obviously, I think your grandparents did a great job of, really taking care of it before you got your hands on it.
Yeah.
Well, this is excellent, man. So well, cool. This is a great rig, and I mean, I obviously follow you on Instagram and stuff like that. I geek out over your truck. Yeah. It's just great. Like I was saying, it's a unicorn.
Yeah, not too many anymore.
Yeah. So, well, cool, man. Well, what's the next stop then? You guys are heading out after this.
Heading to Utah through Grand Junction and eventually through Park City and Salt Lake, ride bikes, trying to do as much mountain biking as we can.
Cool.
Camping the whole way.
Right on. You're hoping for another couple months on the road?
Yeah, hopefully two more months.
Right on, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it was good hanging today.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us your truck.
Yeah, thank you.